You flu. Yeah. Nothing but hard licking, hard corn licking.
I don't know nothing.
Yeah, if you can get you some real good hard corn lick and make a ginger stew out of that and get into bed and just sweat it out, well, you'll break your flu.
Yeah, you did break it.
Yes, before you went to work. I thought I was dying. My feet got cold. I got up out of bed. She's going to work and the doctor told her to make me a hot toddy. Ginger stew, you brought me a bowl of Mountain Dew in there, hot. I drank that and I come out from in there, buddy. The flu, yeah, that's age addict too. What is it?
Yeah, I guess.
That's tough flu, buddy. I made sure. The master's calling me, you know, my feet got as cold as ice, but I got up and down and standing up at the bed. But that brought it away from that. Now, I know that was good for you. And if you ever have the same age, you go and get this pork salad root.
Yeah.
And boil it down till the water turns red. Just boil all the salad. Take you a big dose of sulfur before you do it, a day or two, for to drive it out your blood. Get in that water just about hot as you can stand it and take a good bath. And then grease and sulfur and lard if you can stand it. And that'll kill the same age. Me and my cousin, 2 cousins we had, Jim Bradshaw. Used to come and spend the night with us, you know, and he'd scratch and we caught that.
Yeah.
And well, my grandmother said, y'all going to get some pork root cheese. We done one of the just fertilized sacks. Then we was on the farm and we did all kind of pork root. And she boiled it down, give us some of this sulfur and molasses first. 2 or 3 days before she give us this back. We got in that tub, buddy, and it got the eats too, and it looked like it was going to get me, you know. Webs come out, but after that it won't no more eat. It killed it. Yeah, it started killing that. So that's the remedy of our eat. But children don't have that much nowadays.
No, they don't know about that. That's one thing without a style.
If it is, they give it a different name.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I told him about water. You catch a snail coming out of your shell and rub your thing on that and it'll remove the water. Yeah, I tried it. I worked on it on one of these things.
You find these snails, they're already out. These old big snails already out the shed.
Yeah, and I rubbed it on there.
Water on it and just let it go.
It'll get real sore before it leaves. Real sore. What thing was on one of these things?
And for the summer complaint, get your wild, they call it wild tansy. Bruise that up and make a tea out of that and drink it. Cold water and it'll stop these cramps and stop the airtake. We have tried that and it's successful.